Hey guys, or what's up guys, it's me and Jackson here. Say hi.
Hello guys, shout out to my friends Lily and Audrina. Well, maybe not Audrina, but I know Lily and Emily, they said they were gonna post like all night. Maybe like on the weekends and stuff, so thank you for that. Just letting you know, this is not my real voice. So,
Tech.
also, we got a new technology teacher.
Yeah, we got a new technology teacher named Mr. Sanchez.
Did you say Mr. Sausage?
No, Sanchez. Oh, that. Hold on. What the heck was that? Well, seriously, what sound did I just make? Hold on. No, I'm not left-handed. Tag. 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 I got you. I got you. I got you. Tag. I got you. Why you probably didn't see that. I did a sweet juke. Like, okay, Jackson, like I was running that way. Jackson was about to times, and I just like jumped back. I jumped back like this. And Jackson, sit. Cause yes. Hi. What? Give me 5 seconds.
What song is that?
Can you guys see it? Hold on, times. Times. That is not a leaf. That is badger fur. Give me 5 second head start. Off times.
1, 2, 3, 4.
There's a... Yeah, I know. Try to get me. I won't throw that at you. I'm just waiting. Okay, I'm throwing this at you. Yeah, I can. Yeah, I can.
No.
Here. I want you to get fascinated into this.
No.
Could you hold it for me?
Yeah. Someone throw it into me.
Okay, here you go. Are you holding it? Run!
Got you.
Nope, you missed. Not females. Apparently, and that's how you win tag against this guy. Okay. We've spent enough time playing tag, Jax.
What time is it? What is it?
5:40.
5:46. Let's go inside and do a tour.
We already gave a tour, remember? Okay, it's 5:07.
Oh, okay.
So, hope you guys like our vlogs.
On your booty, go! Ha, ha.
Well,
Eh.
does this look cool to you guys? Guys, everything is turning sideways.
Wait, don't do that.
Everything. Okay, it's back to normal. Everything is upside down. Okay, it's good. Hey, my hand.
Are you okay?
I don't think we should play tag anymore. Anyway, Jackson, in first grade, he's been learning about this. Full moon, the waning gibbous, the third quarter.
Waning crescent. New moon and waxing crescent. Fourth quarter moon, waxing gibbous. I got spring colors here. I can see spring colors. I can see blue. I can see blue. I can see yellow. I can see pink. I can see green. I can see all spring colors. And then I got my lovely dog here.
Yeah, a picture of a dog.
Actually, not a picture of a wolf.
He said it was a picture of a dog this morning. But anyway, does this look cool to you guys at all? How about if I go faster? Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Gotta go faster, 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 faster.
Okay, guys.
I hope that this doesn't get copyright. Anyway,
Guys, so I'm gonna tell you something.
please
Hey,
subscribe.
Hey, shout out to Ben Miles. Shout out to who's else been shouting out to us? Comment and subscribing. Shout out to Goalie Guest. Shout out to Goalie Guest's brother.
Shout out to Ryland and Michaela Wells.
Yeah.
Shout out to Brandy Peterson. I think that's her last name.
Yeah, Brandy Peterson.
Shout out to Chasey
Bethman.
Shout out to
Wait, no. Her name is Brandy Bethman.
okay. Shout out to
Bailey.
Bailey Espinosa. Shout out to our wonderful grandma and grandpa.
And shout out to Melanie and Scott Rose.
Shout out to Jugga Conroy, Zach Scott, Copper 9456.
Zach Scott. I never heard of him. Zach Scott. Oh, Zach Scott.
Boo.
I heard of him.
Boo.
I heard of him.
Anyway,
Sorry.
we've hit the 9-minute mark. Shout out to FGTV. Shout out to Matthias. Shout out to Dang Matt Smith. Shout out to Reaction Time. Shout out to
Who else do we like?
let me just check my search engine. Or whatever.
Shout out to
By the way, buy a fidget cube.
guys.
Hopefully I got that in the shot.
Come on,
Did
guys.
I?
I need something to show you guys. Come here. Okay, guys. Let's go to YouTube here.
Okay.
Okay, I think you need to get more closer.
Okay. Now that he's clicked on YouTube, let's get a little more closer.
Let's go to my channel. I'm gonna see some subscribers up in here. Okay, my subscribers. We're gonna shout out to them. My subscribers.
Shout out to I'm a fan.
Whoever commented me, shout out you. Shout out to Goalie Guest. Shout out to Zachary.
Ahmed.
Shout out to my brother. Shout out to James Feeney.
Jane Sini.
Shout out to Ben Miles.
Rob Dewey, what? Okay, we need to clarify this. The reason why our YouTube name is Rob Dewey.
No, my YouTube name is Jackson.
It is? Well, if for some reason it says Rob Dewey, it's because we record on our dad's phone. But if it says Jackson Dewey for you, then don't worry about it. Anyway.
Yeah.
So how many subscribers do you have? Let's check.
I have.
I'll go check on my computer.
No, I think I got it. I got 4.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay, 4 subscribers. Okay, so we've been rambling at this point. Sorry for that. I just want
Oh, shout out to James McGee. That's so cool.
shout out to James McGee Elementary. Shout out to Mark Twain Elementary.
And
Roar,
shout
roar,
out-
roar. Roar, roar, roar.
And shout out to that handsome guy right there.
That's me.
No, that's me.
That's Jackson.
Well, both handsome.
And that's me.
Mm. Guys, guess what grade I'm in? I'm kidding. Guess what grade I'm gonna be in?
The first person
Wait. Guess what grade I'm in?
the first per-
Next, in 2 years, guess what grade I'm gonna be in? In 2 years, so
the first person
skip a grade and skip a grade.
so skip 2 grades. So not right now, but if you
Wait,
can
don't tell the grade. Let's see if they can actually get it.
like
So,
in
this is my size right now.
so not this grade, but the next 2 grades that he's going to be in. So in 2 years, what grade is he going to be in? The first person to comment that isn't a personal friend of mine will
You will get a
shout out in the next video. And wait, what is that? No, you will not get my free Dutch Brothers drink.
shadow. Okay, guys, I think that's gonna be it on the video.
Well, anyway, so
Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and shout out to the lovely Miss and all.
yep. And shout out to Mrs. Bushy and Mrs. Goff and Mrs. Austin from Junior Achievement.
Ooh, yeah, Mrs. Scott. Listen not my horse, so.
And see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.